This YouTube channel belongs to one of my students using exactly the same process I'm about to show you in this video, and got monetized just within 3 weeks after starting this brand new YouTube channel. As you can see, this channel was created on March 3, 2024, and I recorded this video around July, by which time the channel had already long hit over 2,000 subscribers and over 5,000 watch hours, and as we speak already got monetized and making money online. Apart from this channel, there are several other channels doing exactly this method. Many of them are new channels and they are doing well over $1,000 every month just on AdSense monetization alone. Not to talk about other YouTube monetization means like affiliate marketing and sponsorship deals. So if you too want to start a successful YouTube channel today and join the several other YouTubers smiling to the bank every month, then stick around, make sure you watch every bit of this video, then follow exactly how I will be guiding you, and within a few weeks you will cash out your first couple of dollars from YouTube, and YouTube can confidently say that you are making money online. Now, I'll be showing you the process of starting a cartoon animation YouTube channel using completely free AI tools. You don't need to know anything about coding or even pay for any tool, yet you will be able to create cartoon animation videos and movies like this one on your screen, guaranteed. So the first thing you want to do in creating our cartoon animation video is to create a script or storyline for our video. If you are a scriptwriter or you already have your own storyline, you can always jump this process, but because you'll be creating videos all the time, I believe that you will want to use the power of AI to assist you in doing that. So head over and sign up with this AI tool called GravityWrite. I'll leave the link to this AI tool in the video description. So once you are here on GravityWrite, let's assume that I want to create my cartoon animation on, let's say, a kid story. Then here, just search for kid video script generator, then click this option. So here, what is the topic or the title of the video that you want to create a script for? Though this is optional, but I'll still go ahead and just use jokes and joy. Of course, you can use any random topic of your choice. So I will show you how to get a good idea of the best video topics to use to get viral YouTube video views later in this video. Just keep watching. So here at theme, click the drop down arrow and select any theme for your script. I'll go with joke. So here, what age is the content or this script for? I'll go with 3 to 5 years just for demonstration. So how many characters do I want this script to produce? You can go with any option, but better still, just write the names of all the characters you want in this script. You can use any random name, of course. So I will just go with 2 here. What is your desired duration for this video? Let me go with 5 minutes. I want my video script in English, so I will leave this option as it is. So you can see that this AI tool has already helped us break down exactly what we want in our video script. Personally, this is one of the reasons why I prefer using this tool than maybe tools like ChatGPT. But if you're already familiar with ChatGPT and how to write good prompts on ChatGPT or any other AI tool to script your video story, then of course you can also use them. So I'll just come here and click create content. So you can see here that my video script has already been created. I opted for a very short script for a video dedicated for preschoolers. So you can decide to be more advanced and make a much longer script for your own video. So I'll just come here and copy this new script and then I'll place it on my doc file. So we are done with stage 1 of our video creation. Let's head over to stage 2. In stage 2, we will be giving our video script a voiceover. There are several tools that we can use to do this, but the two that stands out for me are 11 Labs and Clipchamp. I'll be using Clipchamp in this tutorial because it gives us access to unlimited free voiceover options unlike 11 Labs. So head over to clipchamp.com. I'll sign up for a new account, but if you already have one, just go ahead and sign in. Okay, just follow this prompt. They are pretty straightforward. Another reason why I prefer this tool is because there are several things you can do with it. But here, all we want to do for now is to create free voiceovers for our script. So I'll click the create a new video plus icon here, then click record and create. Scroll down and click text to speech. So here, you can pick any language of your choice. Again, I will leave mine in English, United States. Again, this tool is just so amazing as you can even use English of other intonations, but more on that later. Here at Voice, you have the luxury to choose amazing voices without any restrictions. So what I did for this video was to listen through some of these voices and pick out 2 for my 2 characters. Remember, I only have 2 characters in this cartoon animation video script. So if you have more than 2, then make sure you assign different appropriate voices for each of your characters. Here, this tool even allows you to modify these voices better by changing the emotion tone, the pitch levels, and the pace. That is how fast or slow you want this voice to speak. So your voice formatting will depend on the kind of video that you want to create. So I have decided to pick Anna for my first character here. So I'll just come back to my script here and copy the first character's speech, and then I'm going to paste it in here. I can decide to preview this voiceover to hear what it's going to sound like.
Hi, Gravity. I have a joke for you today.
So once I'm good, I will click save. Then I will export and save as 480p. You don't necessarily have to go for the higher definitions because we are not using a video in this instance. It is just the audio that we need. So I'll wait a few seconds for this file to render and download on my computer. So here is my first voice. Now, I will pause this video and repeat this whole process for all the speeches of my character one after the other, and then I'll make sure that I save them accordingly. Again, I'll choose the same for the second character by choosing another voice in Clipchamp and following exactly the same process. So I'll pause this video and get that done right now so that I don't keep this video unnecessarily too long.
A few moments later.
So I am done with all my conversions now, and I have arranged all the voiceovers of my 2 characters separately so that I don't get them mixed up. Now, the truth is that the voiceovers that we got on Clipchamp were all downloaded in MP4 format, but that is not what we want. We want our voices to be in the MP3 format. So again, come over to this conversion tool. The link to that tool is also in the video description. And what I want to do here is to convert each of these MP4 files that I got from Clipchamp into MP3, and this tool is going to enable us to do that. So I will just click the select file. I'll locate and select the first voice, click convert, and I'm going to wait a few seconds for this conversion to be complete. Okay, it is now saved in MP3, and that's exactly what we want. So I'll go ahead again and repeat this process for all of my remaining voices. In case if these conversion tools tell you that you cannot convert more than a specific number of files in a single day, don't worry. All you have to do to correct that is to just create an account on this tool, and it will allow you to convert unlimited number of files. So to keep this video short, I will again pause this recording, and then I'll do the same for all the other audio files, and I will convert them from MP4 to MP3 files.
A few moments later.
So again, make sure you organize your converted MP3 audios accordingly, and then we can go over to the next stage. So congrats, we are done with stage 2 of our cartoon animation. I guess the next stage is the most interesting, and that is where we will begin to generate the actual cartoon characters for each of our characters, and then generating our scenes. So again, head over to this tool called Adobe Express. The free link is also in the video description. Once you're here, you'll be required to sign up for free. So just follow these simple sign up prompts. And now we are ready to continue. So if you scroll through here, you will see quite a number of different cartoon characters that you can use for your animation videos. All you have to do here is just to assign your preferred cartoon to each character in your video storyline. So again, I have 2 characters on mine. So for the first one, I will go with this particular one. So at this point, this cartoon character is still static, but once we give it a voice, it will start moving and talking and even gesticulating to match exactly what the voice is saying. So now it's time to use our voiceovers. At this point again, I want to believe that you have arranged your voiceovers accordingly so that there won't be any mix-up. So to give this character a voice, I can either record my voice directly by clicking this blue record button, but no, we don't want to do that here. We already have our pre-made voices ready to use, right? So I'll just come here and I'll click browse. I'll select my first voice. I'll come here and toggle on the enhanced speech option. So everything is done now, and right here our animated cartoon is ready to speak. So let me play it and let's see what it's going to look like.
Hi, Gravity. I have a joke for you today.
Okay, this appears very cool, right? So I'm just going to come back. I'll be downloading these characters right now. Instead, I want to change this character to a green background color so that I can better work with my video designs, as you will soon see. So I'll come in here at background and choose green. Okay, so once I'm done, I will just go ahead and download this character. After downloading, all I need to do is just to come back here and click the replace audio link, and then I will upload the second audio until I have done the same for all the audios of my first character. Again, I'll go over the whole process again and pick another cartoon for my second character, and then I'm going to repeat exactly the same process. And if you have a third and fourth and fifth characters, just go ahead and repeat the same process until you have generated your cartoon characters for all your voiceovers. So again, I will pause this video and complete this setup for all of my characters, and then we can move to the next step.
A few moments later.
Okay, so now I am done with my cartoon characters and they are now talking. So let's play one of them to see.
Oh, I love jokes. Tell me, tell me.
Okay, great. So now that all my characters are ready, we can move on to the next stage of our cartoon animation video and then put everything together and create and design our video. So the next tool we are going to be using here is called Canva. If you don't have a Canva account, you can sign up for free using the sign up link in the video description. Once you're on Canva, click create design here, and then I'm going to search for video. So here we have to work out our script arrangement so that our video can tally up with our script. For instance, here we have been given an idea of the kind of background that will go best with our cartoon animation video. So I have to create a background that looks like a sunny day in a meadow with butterflies flying around. Yeah, we'll go ahead and achieve all of that on Canva. So here on Canva, I will click elements. To be sincere, this is where you will need to add some little amount of creativity to your design. But let me give you some ideas of what you can do here. So I'll just search for something like a flower meadow here. I'll come to graphics. I'll pick this out. Okay, I think this looks good for a background description that was given to me in my script. So I'll right click here and then I will set this image as my full background. Okay, I think this background feels a little bit too serene, so I will make it a little busier. Okay, this looks amazing. Now, so before I continue, I've actually created a more in-depth course where I showed you in more details how to create your cartoon animation videos. In that course, I did not skip any part or fast forward anything like I'm doing here. Of course, you know we have to keep our YouTube videos very short so that you can watch. But if you really want to get everything right from step 1 to the very last step, I think you should take that course. In that course, I also have another bonus course where I showed you how to start a profitable YouTube channel using cartoon animation, how to get viral videos for your new channel, how to get your first 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours so that you can quickly monetize your YouTube channel and start making money online. I also show you how to customize your new YouTube channel step by step and also how to do your YouTube keyword research. That's not all. I also did something amazing in that course. I opened a WhatsApp group for anyone that gets this course because here on YouTube you really will not get support, right? But in that group, I will be with you one-on-one every day to assist you and make sure that you monetize your new YouTube channel and also become a guru. You always have access to me directly to ask your questions and get mentorship. So if you want to get this course, just click the link in the video description and I will see you in the course. So let's go back to our video. Now, depending on how long your cartoon animation video is or the differences in the scenes, you can use the same process here to create a multiple of backgrounds for your video. Ideally, you don't want your videos to have just a single background, right? So for me, I created 2 backgrounds because of the length of this video. So now that our backgrounds are ready, let's go to the last stage of our animation video and put everything together. Again, this is another fun side of this exercise, so we will quickly head over to our last tool for this exercise, which is Capcut. If you don't already have Capcut account, just log in to capcut.com and create a new account. It's simple and it is free. So the first thing you want to do is to go to your animated cartoons and upload all of them into Capcut. Now, there is only one rule here. You want to make sure that every one of your videos are well arranged. Then, all you have to do is to arrange them on Capcut, and again, you want to do so accordingly. Now, you can see that the green background is obstructing our video setup. So for each clip, I'll just go ahead and remove the green background. To do so, come here at Smart Tools, then toggle on the chroma key, tap this pen, and just pick out the green background. And then as you can see, the green background is off. So all you have to do is just to align your characters properly for each scene. You can add other features like background sound, captions, and transitions. Again, this video is already getting so long, so I'll just keep all of these steps for now. Of course, you can get a much better detail on my cartoon animation course. Link to that course is in the video description. If you want to start a profitable YouTube channel or social media content creation with cartoon animation videos, then you should check out that course. Okay, so if you do a great job, you should have something that looks as cool as this.
Hi, Gravity. I have a joke for you today.
Oh, I love jokes. Tell me, tell me.
So once you're done with your video and ready to download, just come over here at Export and then wait for this to download into my computer. Okay, so this is what we're able to come up with this short tutorial. I will leave the video for you to watch the short clip and give me a rating. Tell me if you love this video or not. Meanwhile, if you want to see other videos on how to achieve success with YouTube, make sure you subscribe to this channel if you have not done so, and make sure you turn on the alert bell so that YouTube can notify you when I publish my next set of videos. Please like this video if you got value from it, and please share it on your social handle also. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next video.